The best moments in life should never be forgotten, just like your cryptocurrency transactions. On Vauld, your entire transaction history is always with you. From your dashboard, go to History. Under Transactions, you'll find all the activity on your account, which includes deposits, transfers made to other accounts, interest payouts, and exchange credits and debits, and more. You can find your transactions on your account. You can also filter the transactions based on asset, status, time range, and more. Under Fixed Deposits, you can find your fixed deposit activity. An active FD is one that is ongoing. A matured FD is one that has paid out its interest. And if you opt out before your FD matures, it becomes an inactive FD. Here too, you can filter the table based on a specific token, status, and more. Finally, under Exchanges, you will find all your activity on Vauld. The list shows crypto-to-crypto transactions on Instant Module, Pro Trading, and all your crypto fiat transactions. Using the filter, you can view all your open trades and cancel the unfulfilled ones, all with the touch of a button. And you can export your data from all 3 tabs whenever you want. Now you know how to keep up with all your history, all under one roof with Vauld.